In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a stunning 3D tilt card hover effect using HTML and CSS. Let's get started. Inside the body, create a div element. Set the class to card. Inside the card, create a span element. Type the diamond emoji. Now, create an H3 element. Type 3D tilt. Next, create a paragraph element. Type perspective tilt on hover. Make sure all the elements are inside the card container. Now target the body element. Set the display property. Type flex. Set the justify content property. Type center. Set the align items property. Type center. Set the minimum height property. Type 100 viewport height. Set the margin property. Type 0. Set the font family property. Type system UI sans serif. Set the background property. Type linear gradient. Open parenthesis. Type 135 degrees. Type Rebecca purple. Type hot pink. Type gold. Close parenthesis. Now target the card class. Set the width property. Type 280 pixels. Set the padding property. Type 35 pixels. Type 25 pixels. Set the border radius property. Type 20 pixels. Set the text align property. Type center. Set the color property. Type white. Set the background property. Type Rava. Open parenthesis. Type 255. Type 255. Type 255. Type 0.12. Close parenthesis. Set the backdrop filter property. Type blur. Open parenthesis. Type 12 pixels. Close parenthesis. Set the border property. Type 1 pixel. Type solid. Type Rava. Open parenthesis. Type 255. Type 255. Type 255. Type 0.25. Close parenthesis. Set the transition property. Type 0.4 seconds. Type ease. Now target the span element inside the card. Set the font size property. Type 44 pixels. Set the display property. Type block. Set the margin bottom property. Type 10 pixels. Now target the H3 element inside the card. Set the margin property. Type 0. Type 0. Type 8 pixels. Set the font size property. Type 22 pixels. Now target the paragraph element inside the card. Set the margin property. Type 0. Set the font size property. Type 15 pixels. Set the opacity property. Type 0.85. Now target the hover state of the card. Set the transform property. Type perspective. Open parenthesis. Type 600 pixels. Close parenthesis. Type rotateX. Open parenthesis. Type 6 degrees. Close parenthesis. Type rotateY. Open parenthesis. Type -6 degrees. Close parenthesis. Type scale. Open parenthesis. Type 1.04. Close parenthesis. Now set the background property. Type Rava. Open parenthesis. Type 255. Type 255. Type 255. Type 0.2. Close parenthesis. Now set the border color property. Type Rava. Open parenthesis. Type 255. Type 255. Type 255. Type 0.45. Close parenthesis. Now set the box shadow property. Type 12 pixels. Type 20 pixels. Type 40 pixels. Type Rava. Open parenthesis. Type 0. Type 0. Type 0. Type 0.25. Close parenthesis. And that's it. Your 3D tilt hover card is now complete. Subscribe to DevFix for more HTML and CSS tutorials.